Welcome, here I've got ALCATEL 1X and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options now. We can do it by just simply sliding to the left, and here we have access to other modes of this camera and also to this button in the left corner. When we tap on this, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the video settings also. At the second place we have the video stabilization, EIS, so electronic image stabilization. By using this button we can turn this off and turn it on also like that. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.